Hey, real quick before we get started, I want to introduce the sponsor of today's video, Epic Water Filters. Epic makes a bunch of different water filtration products. Our favorite is the Anywhere filter because pretty much anywhere you can find fresh water, a lake, a river, a stream, a pond. You can have all the fresh drinking water you want. Check them out. We'll put a link in the description below. And if you use coupon code TSLTD20, you can get 20% off of your order. Okay, and Alaska is waiting, so let's get to it. Our daughter Courtney flew up to visit. She's here for a week. She flew into Anchorage. We just picked her up, and we have lots of fun stuff planned. This is going to be so cool. The first thing is we're picking up her rental Jeep. This is a camper Jeep, and we're going to go have a lot of fun. She's super stoked, and so are we.
Does this look familiar? We're going to try the hike they tried last month.
So off we went, and of course we've been here 2 months in Alaska. We've been hiking all over the place. We have not seen a single bear, and as soon as we go on this hike with Courtney, what do we see? A bear.
Oh, hello. He's like, oh my god, it reeks of humans. Oh man, what if he comes down here? Do you think he will?
Hope not.
Just let's keep going. Let's let him do his thing.
We decided to just keep going and leave him alone, and luckily he did the same for us.
Yeah, she was.
If you've been watching our channel, you may remember that just 2 months ago, Shannon and I tried doing this trail, but we didn't get very far.
This was just a snow field when we were here before.
But now it's July and most of that snow has melted. Oh, and look at that. It's the exit glacier. We didn't get to see this last time.
Harding Icefield.
There was lots of wildlife on the trail.
There he goes. Aww. What a cutie, yeah.
What you doing there, little guy? As we were sitting there eating our lunch, a plane flew over and landed right on the glacier, and then a bunch of people got out and walked around. After that, we began the long hike back down. And of course, we stopped to smell the flowers along the way. At the end of the day, we found the most awesome dispersed camping area. Check this out. Oh man, that was a totally awesome day. One of the best days of my life. Such a cool hike. So we're getting ready to go to bed now, which is super easy for Shannon and me. But for Courtney, anyway, Courtney told us she has a surprise for us in the morning, and we have to get up at 5 a.m. 5 o'clock in the morning. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Hi, Courts.
Good morning. Good morning.
We're up awfully early. What's going on today?
We're going fishing.
Awesome.
First grizzly last night.
Yeah, it's right over there. The black bear is pretty cute. This guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bigger than cute.
Fast. Yeah.
Courts up and out. Out of the... Shannon, stand still. Yeah, he went around your feet. That fish is trying to catch you, Shannon.
Watch yourself, Tim. Tim, watch yourself.
Yep.
Big fish. Oh, holy cow. Look at that bullet. That is big mama right there.
Yeah. Wow.
fall in. I thought he was gonna fall in. You gotta move, baby. Okay, you can keep it nice and low. Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah, big meal.
Oh my goodness, look at that! Woohoo!
Catch one, Courtney.
That's so cool, they're right so close to her.
But then a little later, she might go up next to some mom and take off and jump off on her. Those ones are getting almost big enough.
Right on.
You want to get out there in that spot, Tim? I think I'd like to try it.
Oh! There he's got it! To the side! Did you hear that, baby? Give a little, take a little. Yes, dear. I can hold it. I'm filming.
Big girl.
Woo!
Big fish.
Look at that.
This is a beast. This is, yeah. Big fish. I thought I was gonna screw it up for you.
Wow.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna screw it up. I get the call. Look at how big that one is.
Try lifting them up, Court. See if you can lift them up. Woo! There you go. Wow, rock on. That is beautiful fish.
Oh, we had such a good time. It's amazing how fast a week can go by. But the very next day, Courtney flew home, so we had to say goodbye.
We had such a great week with Courtney. We had so much fun. One of the things that made this so special was that we nearly lost Courtney a few years ago.
Hi, I'm Courtney and I'm an addict, and I've been in recovery since September 29th, 2019.
So stay tuned because Courtney has allowed us to share her story, and we're going to have it on our channel real soon.